more army personnel were killed during a counter-terrorist operation in Mendhar in Poonch district of Jammu and Kashmir. The army toll in the operation that began on Monday has now risen to 9. Here's the news report.
9 bravehearts of the Indian Army laid down their lives fighting terror in Jammu and Kashmir's Poonch and Rajouri districts since Monday. Subedar Ajay Singh and Naik Harendra Singh were part of a search operation in Poonch district's Narkhas forest. 2 days after the operations were conducted, their bodies were recovered on Saturday evening. Rifleman Vikram Singh Negi and Rifleman Yogambar Singh were also part of the Narkhas search operation. They were critically injured in the exchange of fire and later succumbed to their injuries on October 15th. A Gallantry Award winner, Naib Subedar Jaswinder Singh, was awarded the Sena Medal for his role in killing 3 terrorists in Kashmir in 2006. Days away from a memorial ceremony for his late father, the 39-year-old fell to terrorist bullets in Poonch. Both his brothers are retired army veterans and are proud of his sacrifice.
साडा तो लक टुट गया, लेकिन सानू मान है कि साडे इलाके दा साडे पिंड दा नाम उच्चा कर गया.
30-year-old Naik Mandeep Singh from Gurdaspur in Punjab last visited home 18 months ago. Naik Singh finally returned home wrapped in the tricolour. Sepoy Sarat Singh, a new father, was also killed in action in anti-terror operations. His family will receive the rupees 50 lakh ex gratia, and a government job has been announced by Punjab government for each fallen soldier's family. Sepoy Gajan Singh from Punjab enrolled in the Sikh regiment when he was just 22 years old. Sepoy Singh got married 7 months ago, and his 10-day leave to visit home had already been sanctioned. His wife says terrorists will be given a befitting reply.
मारना चाहिए उनको, मारना चाहिए. एक एक नहीं सारे नो. उत्थे दे लोक नहीं ना साथ देंदे, लोक साथ देवे ना, तातवादी खत्म हो जाए.
Sepoy Vaishak from Kerala was also killed in action in the Poonch encounter. He was laid to rest in his native place, Kottarakara, in Kollam district. As terror continues to bleed India, our brave soldiers remain undeterred and ready to defend and protect our borders at any cost. Bureau Report, India Today.
Ashraf Fani, my colleague, our Kashmir Bureau Chief, continues to be live with me from Srinagar. Ashraf, this heightened terror activity in the Poonch district, what is causing this? What are your sources within the security forces telling you?
Follow me. This is one of the longest so far encounters in the recent times in the area, and but in the past and the history of the area tells many such stories. In fact, we can remember in 2003 there was Operation Hilkaka, which is Operation Sarpnash, and it was on the peaks of Hilkak, which is a mountain in the near the area in the Poonch district. In fact, very close to Surankot. And same, this encounter is going on in those dense forests, which is topographically very tough. And now it is more than a week when this operation was started. But what we are getting from the security establishments and the sources in the security is that this heavily armed, heavily trained group of militants had infiltrated during the last month in the dense forests of this Poonch district, and is moving its place from one part to another part. They are very much trained and with very much sophisticated weapons. That is why the armed forces and the army is facing these kind of casualties in this particular operation. Now, what is the strategy from the security forces? Now, the army has chalked out the new plan to neutralize this group of terrorists, which is hiding in the dense forests of Mendhar and Surankot, to nab and to kill them. The joint operation has been launched by the police, by the CRPF, which are looking the roads and other places, and the paratroops of the army, which is the elite class of the Indian Army. they are going to be pushed in this
Right.
operation, where they are going to search and kill these infiltrators in these dense forests of the Poonch district in Jammu.
Right. Ashraf, thank you so much for all of those details.